Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to undo in Logic Pro X. Um, if you have that enabled on your iPad, you will just use two fingers at the same time. So this is the universal iPad gesture, instantly undoes your last edit, recording or setting changes. So you will tap with uh, two fingers on your screen at the same time, and yeah, you will undo the thing. Tap with three fingers to redo the action, but if you only have this enabled. Now, if you don't have, you will need to find in the app this on-screen undo button. So look at the top right corner bar of your screen, near the share button and information button, you will see this curved button, as you can see, and you have here undo, redo, change, and of region. Or you can use keyboard if you have this Apple keyboard for iPad, then you will press Command plus Z and Shift Command Z to redo. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can undo and redo in Logic Pro. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next